Hey everybody, this is Michael, your friendly financial coach, coming to you on location at one of my partner banks, in which help the community and help everyone. We just finished with a family who's trying to get out of a rental and get themselves qualified to get into a home. Very wonderful family. We reach all families from all different backgrounds, every ethnicity, and doesn't matter. Beautiful family, and they're paying too much in rent for the home that they're renting or the apartment that they're renting. And we're going to qualify them for a nice home, a good mortgage, and hopefully it will be within the next 3 months we can get them qualified. And we want them in the 700s. That's my goal. That's my heart. Even though the banks may require less, we want to get you in that 700 credit score community. What I want to talk to you about today, mainly in our Breaking Budget series, is certain apps that are encouraging you to use this particular app for the purpose of not taking responsibility for your finances. I know I put it pretty harshly for that particular app, and some of you may have seen advertisement for this financial app, this budgeting app, and they encourage you to say, hey, if you don't have enough money to make it to the next payday, or you don't want to wait 2 weeks for your next paycheck, or you're a day short of your particular payday, they're encouraging you to borrow money from them. And even though they won't charge a lot of interest, there's always a price. Let me give you, or allow me to give you some insight to what's really going on. My goal is to empower people to live in financial dignity. That means I don't want you to live in paycheck to paycheck or less than that. I want you to take control of your finances to where if something does come up, you have dominated your finances. You've taken control of your finances enough in order to put yourself in position to where if an emergency comes up, you can borrow from the bank of you and not from the bank of them. And you can pay yourself back with interest. My goal for you is to live in financial 3D. That's it. I do not support those apps which allow you to borrow from them to go to the next payday. You might as well go to another payday loan and get put in that trap. I don't want you to get trapped into that, Pete, because I want you to change your mindset. I can't help you change your money until I help you change your mindset about money. Many people are trapped today in the situation they're in because they don't look at money as a tool, but they look at it as an end game or as an end goal. Don't look at it as an end goal. It's just a tool to help you reach your financial responsibility. Every pay period before you get paid, you should tell your money what to do. Giving, saving, spending. Those should be the top 3 things how you can break your money up. I don't care if you're saving $5 a paycheck, $10 a paycheck, whatever. Save something when you get paid. And you do need to be giving, whether it's to a nonprofit, a community organization, church, whatever it is, because giving has powerful implications to where you can truly be blessed. Let's look at a scripture. In Isaiah 55, verse 2, it says, "Wherefore do you spend money for which that is not bread, and labor that which doesn't satisfy?" It says, "Hearken diligently unto me, and eat that which is good, and let your soul delight itself in fatness." In other words, why do you spend money on things that's not the basic necessities? Why do you overspend? Why do you purchase things that really won't satisfy you? You do all this extra shopping and you don't account for it. And then when it comes to the end of the month or before the next paycheck, you always ask the question, I don't make enough money. They don't pay me enough. Excuses to where you need to realize what you're doing with your money. You need to have a plan for your money. You need to have a plan for your money. Be good stewards of what you have been given. So in this particular breaking budget, I want you to take control of your finances. Before the month begins or before your next paycheck comes, have a plan for every dollar. Every dollar has a destiny. Every penny has a purpose. For those who've gone through my classes, for those who've done counseling with me, and for my upcoming book, every dollar has a destiny. Every penny has a purpose. It's going to be implemented in every part. So I want to encourage you all. Have a plan for your money. Have a spending plan. Not just a budget, but a spending plan. Account for those things that are coming up this month. Before the month begins, have a plan for your money, because that's how you work in your household monthly. Bills come up every month. Different events come up every month. Special occasions, Mother's Day come up, Father's Day come up, birthdays come up. Those who spend absorbable amount of money on these holidays, which they should not be, but that's a different video. You need to have a plan for your money, because if you don't tell your money what to do, somebody else will. I'm coming to you. I'm telling the truth out of love, and I want to be your friendly financial coach. So I thank you all for listening. Once again, this is Michael, your friendly financial coach. I'll catch you next time on our next series edition of Breaking Budget. God bless.